Next. A convex or concave diverging lens of refractive index is given as 1.5. Focal length is given 24 centimeters in air. The radius of curvature of one surface is double that of other. Find the radius. Now here you can see now. So this radius R1, this radius is R2. They give the radius of curvature of one surface is double that of other. So you can see now here in this R1 and R2, which one is a bigger value? Which one is a bigger value you can see? So you see this thing here, I have drawn. Yes, so this circle I have drawn. Yes, now you see this thing, I have drawn this circle. Here, this is, if I call this is R1 and this is R2, which is the bigger value? R2. Yeah, so why it is bigger, you see this thing here. And so, if we have seen this thing here, this part here, if we consider this one, have taken this one. So which has a high radius, tell me? So R1, first one, yeah, this is R1 and this is the R2, isn't it? So you see this thing, whichever is a more curveness, more curve, that is more smoother, that having a less radius. Okay, if we have the, so if we increase like this, now you can see now here, this will have a more radius. Now the plane surface we have, what is the radius of the plane surface? Infinity. Okay, whichever will have straight line, whichever having a curveness is more, that has it's a less radius, and whichever this seems to be straight, that has a more radius. Okay. Now in these two, you tell me now which is having higher radius, which having less low radius. R2. Yes, R2 is high now. So this is R2 is equal to, in the, they're saying it as 2 times of R1, isn't it? Yes, sir. Now you can tell me now here focal length. So that is 1 by f, which is equal to mu length. Mu length, we need to find radius, we have to find. So this value 1.5 minus 1 into this R1. R1, so it is positive or negative? Huh? Negative. Negative. R2 value? Plus 1 by 2 R1. Yes, R2 positive or negative? R2 also positive only, na? Yes, sir. Minus into minus plus. No, here R2 value, here this is what now this is? In this direction minus, na? Okay, you're telling directly value you are saying. Okay, so minus into minus plus. Okay. This thing, fine. Yes, sir. Yes, R2 is equal to minus 2 R1. So this is R1, which is equal to negative, right? Yeah, simplify. Tell me how much is focal length value? 1 by 24, which is equal to, I can say this is 1 by 2. And here this is equal to what? Tell me now here. Minus 2, 1. So that is minus 1 by 2 R1. Na? So this is, so 4 3s, isn't it? Yes. So R1 value how much now? Cross multiply, which will be equal to 3 centimeters, right? Then R2 value equal to 6 centimeters. Okay, the negative sign is because of the directions. Check it.
Sir, 4 6 are 24, no, sir, not 4 3.
Sorry, 4. 6 now, sorry. Right, so that means this is 6 centimeters and this is 12 centimeters, right?
So it will be minus also.
Yeah, minus. Minus indicate the directions. Values are positive, we can take it.
Yes, sir.
Next.